So today I'm going to be installing a new doorknob. We had originally painted the old doorknobs to try to salvage them, but it didn't work out, so I got these great new doorknobs from Schulag, Canada, and I think that's how you say it. Anyway, and I think it's going to look really great, and they've got a good weight to them, so it's going to make the door in general feel more substantial. So first things first, I've got to remove the old doorknob, and I really don't know how to do it, so this might take a while. I had to take a bit of a break because this is an old doorknob and it doesn't have any visible screws on it, so I didn't know how to get it off. So I had to do a little Google break and I figured it out. You just need a flathead screwdriver, and there's usually a little, kind of like a little indent there. And then you just put your flathead screwdriver in there and press it as hard as you can, and then just wiggle the knob, and then it just comes off. So you learn something new every day. Put this part in, and now I just need to put the front of the knob on and the back of the knob on, and then screw it together and then test it out. And I think it'll work okay. The last time I did something like this, I ended up locking myself in the bathroom, so I'm gonna try it from the outside first. Anyway, so it just goes in like this. You can have the two different sizes of doors. I'm going with the one closer because it's a smaller door. So we will see. Oh, it's going through. So it's all done. It opens and closes. I really like the way it looks, and it just makes the door, even though I didn't replace the door, it makes the whole door look like it's new. Here's the test. I'm gonna lock myself in and see if I get locked in. I should probably, charge myself more.